COVID-19 exposed a strange pattern. Men were more likely to be more critically ill than women, but that female advantage seemed less clear with age. One suspect? Estrogen. I used menopause as a natural lens to investigate it. If ovarian hormone activity changes after menopause, do COVID-19 outcomes change too? Here's the problem. Menopause happens with aging, and age itself increases COVID-19 risk. So, when postmenopausal women do worse, is that an estrogen-related effect or aging in disguise? Using Prisma 2020 protocol, I screened 305 PubMed records and included 6 studies directly comparing women before and after menopause. I recalculated crude risks, compared them with adjusted and age-matched results, and examined hormone evidence separately. And that search uncovered heterogeneity, which became part of the scientific problem. It meant a pooled meta-analysis could have been misleading, so I instead used a structured quantitative and narrative synthesis. Recalculating crude risk ratios and risk differences were possible, comparing them with adjusted estimates and assessing bias using Robbins E and JBI. At first, the data looked dramatic. In one study, menopausal women had over 3 times the risk of progressing to severe disease. But after confounders were controlled, several associations weakened. The largest included clinical cohort found no significant reproductive stage difference after adjustment and age matching. Yet, biomarker studies still found differences in estradiol, ovarian aging markers, and inflammatory signals. So, estrogen-related influence remains biologically plausible, but menopause is not yet established as an independent clinical risk factor.